So in this video, I'd like to talk to you about simple interest. Now, if interest is a concept you are unfamiliar with, I strongly recommend you watch my first video. If not, let's dig into it. So let's say you borrow, I apologise, I'm not sure why this isn't working. Let's say you borrow £100 from me at a 10% simple interest rate, okay? How much would you owe me after 1 year? Well, after 1 year, you'd owe me 100 plus 10% of the £100. And this is something we covered in the first video. So this is what you'd owe me after 1 year. You'd owe me £110. After 2 years, you'd owe me the £110 plus 10% of the original £100, okay, which is £120. And that, in essence, is all what there is to simple interest. It's just adding an extra, so if you have a R% interest rate, it's adding an extra R% of the original amount, which is also known as the principal value, to how much you owe after each year, right? So in year 3 as well, you would owe me 120 plus 10% of your £100, or plus 10 because we can cancel out this 100. So in simple interest, the amount we add on per year just remains constant. It remains 10. And I want to quickly generalize this because we can definitely form a formula for simple interest. So if we go back to year 1, and I'm going to take the 100 out as a factor. Now the reason why I want to get to a formula is because if you can generalize it, it can help you understand it better. So I'm going to take the 100 out as a factor, and then inside the brackets we have 1 add 10 over 100, and that's how much you owe me in year 1. If this step was a bit confusing, please let me know, and I can do some more mathematically oriented videos. But moving on, in year 2, you then owe me what you owe in year 1, plus 10% of 100, okay? So plus 10% of 100. And that is, we can take the 100 out, that's 1, add 10 over 100, add 10 over 100, okay? And for year 3, you can do exactly the same. So in year 3, you owe me, and I'm going to do it over here just to create more space, you owe me what you owe in year 2, right? So 1 add 10 over 100, add 10 over 100, right? Add 10% of 100, okay? And again, we can take out the 100, and I'm not going to show it fully, but when we take out the 100 as a factor, we get 1 add 10 over 100, add 10 over 100, add 10 over 100, okay? And similarly, if you keep repeating this for year 4, year 5, year 6, and so on, you should see some sort of a pattern. And from that, we can create a formula, we can generalize, and we can say that in the nth year, okay, in the nth year, apologies for the horrible handwriting, in the nth year, you owe me the principal amount multiplied by 1 add NR over 100, okay, where P is the principal amount. It's the initial amount you borrowed or invested, depending on the situation. N is the number of years. R is the percent, so R%, so that could be a 5, in our case it was a 10, and this is the formula, as you can hopefully see, for simple interest. So that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it quick and informative, and on to the next video, we will look at compound interest. Thank you for watching.